Hey guys, got a new wallet review for you today. This is the Trove coin caddy, which is meant to hold cash, cards and coins in this pretty small package. I've had this for around a day now, and I just wanted to share my initial thoughts with you. So it comes with very minimal packaging, just this card here, which gives you some information. It's made from Italian vegetable tanned leather and elastic, so it's pretty good quality. You've got some information there on how to load it up, as well as on the company. So here's the wallet. I've got some monogramming, which is available at an extra charge, and this is the 10 color. It's just a standard color with gray elastic, and over here you have this card, some more information. So we open this up. As you can see, it's a very original concept, I must say. There's this section here which is meant for coins, and the front part here which is meant for cards, and got some more details in there. So you basically have two compartments inside here, one for coins and one for cards. On the sides here you can't really put anything because this will just fall out, so this is not meant to put anything in there, I suppose. And then of course you have a quick slot over here for your most used cards. I've put in a couple of cards so far. And yeah, that's basically it insofar as the design is concerned. The leather seems to be pretty nice. It smells really good, and the studs are also nice and clicky. Should be no problem with those. The edges here seem fine. The elastic is also quite seems to be of considerable high quality, and it's pretty thick as well. You can feel it in your hand. And yeah, so let's load this up. I have 6 cards here. None of these are embossed, which I'll go ahead and put in this slot right here. And it's kind of difficult to put in at first. Perhaps it just needs to stretch out the elastic a bit. But yeah, they fit in quite well. Just arrange them so they end up right there. That's 6 cards in the first slot, and we can go ahead and put some coins in here. You can see it holds quite a few coins. You can't really load this up so much because then it gets too bulky, but yeah, that seems fine. And it closes up okay. And back here, let's go ahead and put in a couple of cards. Now, the issue I have with this back slot here is that it's a bit difficult to get the cards in correctly. And as you can see, the strap kind of fidgets around a bit until it's in the center. So this is what I've noticed so far. It's also, there's a bit of a warp for the cards. Of course you have the coins in here, so that's affecting the outside cards a bit. I don't think it should make any damage for the cards, but it's something to keep in mind. And as you can see, if we go ahead and just pull out a card and we use that card and then put it back in, as I said, well, that's not too bad, but sometimes it just feels a bit too finicky to put the card back in. I'm not sure if this is perhaps because if it's still new, or maybe I'm just being nitpicky. But yeah, it's something I noticed straight away. It just takes a bit of a of arrangement, I find. Okay. As you can see, it's still pretty good profile. I guess it's still, you can count as a minimalist wallet. And of course the last thing which I should show you is that over here you're supposed to put your bills. So you just have a couple of bills here folded like this, and if you just push those in with the stuff that's in the wallet, that's not gonna fall out really, so it's just stuck in there. It's a bit difficult, I guess, to get them out. You just have to kind of push your finger in there until they peek out, and you pull them away. Takes, you know, a bit of getting used to, but nothing too serious. And yeah, there seems to be some, I guess it's the studs that kind of inhibit the progress of the bills in there sometimes. So yeah, just nitpicking a bit more, I suppose, but just so you're aware of that. Another thing to note, because this is important for me personally, is that this is not RFID protected. So my first card here is actually an access card for my office door, and that works just fine if I just tap on the front here. Actually, my bus card, which is the one I put in a quick access slot, which also, you know, is a tap card sort of thing, it actually interferes with my office door card, so I couldn't put them close together, but I arranged that, just putting the bus card back here and the office card so they're, you know, as far away from each other as possible, and that works out fine. That worked out fine for me. As regards the coins, as I said, it's not too bad insofar as storage space, but keep in mind that if you load this up, it will both warp the cards even more back here, and it will make it difficult because the coins themselves kind of get stuck inside the, you know, at the very end of the pocket. But otherwise, it's fine to just, yeah, get them out and back in. So that's my initial review of the Trove coin caddy. It seems to be a pretty good wallet, especially if you're, you know, if you're looking for a solution to carry both cards, cash, and coins in a pretty small package without having to have separate wallets for the coins or pouches. So yeah, I think I will be using this daily, especially at work, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Make a 6-month review or something like that. Have any questions, as always, feel free to post them below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.